The American Southwest conjures images of rugged landscapes, of majestic red rock, and the mighty Colorado carving beautiful canyons through it. Ancient peoples and cultures still shaping the land. I love coming here. It's a renewal for me. Even in the winter months when I camp on the snow, it's a place where I feel refreshed and regenerated. And I would love to share this with you. This for me is so much more than a tour. For me, it's a sort of a pilgrimage. It's the quintessential American road trip. And I'm proud to be able to offer it as a private 7-day tour starting and ending in Las Vegas. We get off the highway, ride some dirt every day that's specifically catered and curated to make this a truly unforgettable trip within everybody's comfort level, but with plenty of space to allow for that adrenaline and a little bit of a challenge as well. Of course, fully supported and fully ready to give you the experience without all the risks associated with riding alone in the desert, which I do not recommend. You'll see incredible sights like Arches National Park, Island in the Sky, where you could throw your legs over these enormous mesas that the Colorado carved out and look in the distance and visualize epochs of time passing by that eroded these mountains. It's a pretty incredible place. We'll pay a visit to the north rim of the Grand Canyon, where you can mostly have it to yourself as opposed to the south rim, where you have to share it with tens of thousands of other people. You'll see wild horses and bison graze on the green pastures. We'll take a ride down the iconic Route 66 and ride roads with the name of Valley of the Gods and Mokidagwe, Hell's Revenge, Mickey's Hot Tub. You'll get a chance to explore some of the amazing sights of the area like Antelope Canyon, one of the most beautiful places in the world, Horseshoe Bend and Goosenecks. We'll pay a visit to Bryce Canyon, Zion National Park. I would love to share this with you. We offer a lot of flexibility with the dates. We avoid riding in the hottest part of the summer for health and safety reasons, and again offer a fully supported vehicle stocked and ready for this adventure so you can just focus on the riding and enjoying the scenery. As you know, we've launched our Eastern Sierra tour, and again, this is a private tour. Only 6 people can join, so we like to keep it small. So get in touch at PegasusMotorcycleTours.com and let's make it happen. In the meantime, ride safe. Nick, I'm out.